Hello everyone, I'm Amanda from BOTA. Before shipment, we test every machine to ensure it operates properly. 10-ton adjustable manual traveling welding rotator. It's time to stack it up. Below is an idler roller. The above is a driver roller. The middle two wheels are from the idler roller. I have already attached the rotating label. Let's take a look first. Hand control box. I'll turn on the power first. This is a button to adjust the speed. We set it to 60 max. Let's take a look. This is an electric cabinet box. Here's a spare air plug. Grounding, inverter, transformer. This is a linked aviation plug. Motor, gear reducer. There are 3 sets of welding rotator. All 3 sets of equipment are started. -60. Put it underground. I'll watch this set now. Forward rotation. The 2 wheels in the middle, wheel from the idler roller. Stacking is to save space. It has already rotated 1 full circle. Let's look at the second set. Switch to forward rotation. Then turn on the start switch. Because the direction of this electronic control box and that electronic control box is inconsistent, so it doesn't look like the wheels are in the same direction. Actually, they are all rotating forward now. Take a look at this one again. Okay, we reverse. It is easier to see when you get closer. BOTA specializes in the design and manufacture of welding turning rolls, welding positioners, welding manipulators, and automated welding equipment. If you have any related equipment requirements, please feel free to contact me. I'm Amanda Z from BOTA. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.